And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a Home Bargains haul. So you guys would have seen in the Home Bargains vlog, the Come Shop With Me, that I went to Home Bargains and I bought quite a few things actually. So I thought, do you know what, I decided to show you. I'm a bit upset that I didn't actually manage to get one of the Mrs. Hinch stuff, but it doesn't really matter because I can get it another time or I can try and find it online. I think they do have it on Home Bargains website, which I might get it next week if I have the money. And I couldn't find the storage boxes that I actually need. So the camera's a little bit too high. Let me bring you guys down a minute. There you go. So you guys, I would have told you that I had a bit of a dilemma with the boxes for the wardrobe. Now, I couldn't find any boxes in Home Bargains that kind of wanted in my style. The ones I saw in Home Bargains were too small. They were like this, they look like kind of like wicker kind of look, but they're not the kind of style that I was looking for. So I have found the ones on IKEA. I might have to get them next week now, but I won't know until I get my wage slip come through on a Tuesday. So obviously, because it's like coming up to Easter, but by the time you guys watch this video, I think Easter might have been gone, or it could be Easter weekend. I can't remember when this video is going up, so I thought I'd just say that first. So yeah, by the time I get paid, I will get paid early, so I've got to try and work everything all that, and if I can, then I will get them on IKEA. That is not a problem. But decluttering my wardrobe and going through all that, and then obviously once I've got the storage boxes that I need from IKEA, I can just pop them into place. So I'm going to show you guys of what I picked up in Home Bargains. I got me and Nathan a few little snacks, just a couple of little things. So starting off with the plain boring ones, I got some cheese and onion crisps. Now, I was looking down the crisps aisle for a very long time, and I didn't know which ones to get myself, so I just got these ones. I got Nathan the prawn cocktail ones because he loves prawn cocktails, so I just got the cheese and onion version. Let me get the plain and boring stuff out of the way first. So, sorry if the lighting keeps going out. I'm using natural lighting. I've got so much to do today. I've got to try and whiz through this as much as possible because I've got my Asda shop coming. So yeah, I'm so sorry if the lighting keeps coming in and out. I just don't have enough time to set my ring light up, get everything all sorted. I've got so much to do. So, as is coming up to obviously Easter, I decided to buy me and Nathan a chocolate bar. So I got the Dairy Milk Crunchy one. I got Nathan the Fruit and Nut. Now, my sister is buying me and Nathan a chocolate bar each for Easter. I was going to get her the crunchy one, but I didn't know what to get her boyfriend. So I thought, they both love Freddo, so I've got them both packs of Freddo each. It's just something small for every little Easter. It's probably not much, but I was going to get one pack so they can share between the two of them, but it will cause a massive disaster, and they'll end up fighting over it of how you've got more than me, la la la. So I decided to get them a pack each, so no fighting, they got a pack each. So that's the kind of boring bits out of the way. Okay, so I saw this pillow cushion, is it? No, bath pillow to go onto the bath. It's got a little couple of suctions so you can pop it on to your bath. Now, I've always wanted a bath pillow into our bath. I was actually gonna get one when we had our own place, but unfortunately circumstances happened and we had to move into his mum and dad's. So I still wanted to get one because every time I lay in the bath, yeah, it's really nice, but it hurts the back of my neck. And I thought to myself, I need to find a nice pillow to go into the bath. I seen one on Amazon. I think it's like a luxury one where it's got the pillow bit at the top, and then I think it's like a back support as well, so it's got two bits. But then I saw this in Home Bargains. I thought, this is right up my street. Not only is it pink, but it's very beaded as well, so it keeps your neck cool, and it's easy to take off as well, so you can suck it onto your bath and then take it off. So I got myself one of those. Then I love a bath bomb. I'm a sucker when it comes to like bath bombs, anything to do with Pamper. I absolutely love them. So I've purchased a little cherry bath bomb. Sorry if the lighting keeps fading, but yeah, I've got myself a cherry bath bomb, which you guys would have seen in the vlog. They had these ones and they had like the peach style, and you can actually smell it as well. It smells really, really nice, and I love this. I think for Christmas time, last Christmas, Lisa bought me some bath bombs. I think she said she got them from Home Bargains, and it had like a little cherry one, and that's what got me into them. So I got myself a little cherry bath bomb. Then I got this. So this is the Febreze new scents. So this is called Havana. This is the only bathroom air freshener that I actually got from Home Bargains. I did wanted to get it in the new Mrs. Hinch range, but unfortunately they didn't have any. But they do have them on the Home Bargains website, which I might have to treat myself to it next week. But I've not actually smelt this one yet, so I don't know what Havana smells like. So let's actually quickly open this up and smell this, because I don't know what it smells like. Someone at work said the new one of Febreze is not very nice, but yeah, you just pull that tab at the top. Let's just give it a few minutes. It's supposed to be a spring edition. Let's just give it a few minutes. It's a 24/7 fight odours, and it lasts up to 50 days. Do you know what? The scent's actually coming through. It's actually quite nice. It smells like sweets. But yeah, it's actually quite nice. So it's the Havana one. That's actually. So I'm just going to pop that there. So yeah, I've got the Havana air freshener. That was actually quite nice. That was the only one of the range that I decided to get, because my main focus was the new Mrs. Hinch range. Then, as you guys would have seen, they had their Hinch mugs. Yes, I've already got one, and I decided to purchase another one. See, I'm this kind of girl where if I know I love something, I will get multiples of them. Then I know I've got enough. When it comes to the mug situation, I like to have, especially like Mrs. Hinch ones, I like to have 2 of them, just in case, touch wood, if anything happens to them and they break, I've got another spare one. So I've got another Mrs. Hinch mug here. And then I got myself new shampoo and conditioner. So I have said when I went to Home Bargains that I absolutely love these. I was a bit dubious about these because obviously it's the Garnier range. I love the Garnier anyway, but when I started using these, they've made my hair a lot smoother. It's making my hair last a lot longer. The smell is incredible and I absolutely love it. So I've just purchased some more in them. Fortunately, they didn't have the hair mask that I use, but it's not a problem. I can purchase that on my Asda shop next week. But yeah, I've got some more shampoo and conditioner. This is my favourite scent for my hair, my shampoo and conditioner. I've used so many different shampoos and conditioners in the past, God knows how many years, and nothing beats this one. It smells beautiful, so I highly recommend it. I love the Garnier products anyway. So yeah, they are a definite win. I will have to get the more hair mask next week. Then keeping on to the Radox section before I get into all the new Mrs. Hinch stuff. So you guys would have seen in a few videos ago that I done like a Radox cherry bath thing. Well, I got another one. I absolutely love this. I did say when I was in Home Bargains that I love anything to do with Radox at all. Like, yeah. Oh, I don't think I showed you, but yeah, I've got 2. I've got the Muscle Soak. I thought I showed you this one, but yeah, I've got the Muscle Soak and then I've got the cherry version as well. So I do have the Muscle Soak already, but I'm halfway through the bottle, so I thought I'd decide to get another bottle. And I also got the cherry one to go with my cherry bath bomb. So if I fancy having a nice sweet cherry bath, then I've got these. But yeah, I highly recommend. I would say though, smells absolutely insane. I would say that if you are using any like white cloths to like wash your body or wash your face, or if you've got anything white that you use in the bath, do be prepared that it does turn a little bit red because of obviously the red Radox. But it does wash out eventually. You just got to rinse it underneath cold water or hot water, whatever you prefer. But it does wash out eventually. So it's not stained. It doesn't stain anything. It just obviously turns it a little bit red, but it is easy washable. But yeah, I absolutely love this. So anything to do with Radox that I absolutely love. Anything to do with Pamper, actually, I love it. Especially if I've had a hard day at work and I need a nice relax in the bath, then Radox are my best friend. I've saved the best till last. And now this is the reason why I went to Home Bargains in the first place. It's the new Mrs. Hinch range. I am so glad I've got my hands on a few pieces. The only pieces that I didn't pick up was the bold liquid, because there's no point of having every single one. The dishwasher tablets, because obviously I don't own my own dishwasher. What else was there? There was like smaller bottles of obviously what I'm about to show you. There's smaller boxes of the pods. You got the small box, the big bag. You got the small bottle of liquid, the big bottle of liquid, the small bottle of the scent boosters and the big bottle of scent boosters, the air freshener, the washing liquid. They also had the fairy soak spray, I think that's what it's called. But obviously for other reasons I didn't get that. And they didn't have the bathroom freshener of the scent, but like I said, I can get that on the website. But these things that I did pick up was the air freshener. Now I did actually spray this on our bed when we made the bed. Gave the bed a little bit of a spritz, and it smells, I'm not gonna lie, but this one actually smells like polish, but I absolutely love it anyway. So this is the Febreze Air Mist Midsummer Memories. Now this is Mrs. Hinch limited edition. She has partnered with Joy of Clean again and come out with another range. It's absolutely incredible. The packaging alone is beautiful and I absolutely love it. Now if you guys are new to my channel, I'm a Mrs. Hinch fan. I've always have been a Mrs. Hinch fan, and I love all of her products, her cleaning products, everything, her home range, the lot. And I'm telling you now, if I had kids, I would be buying all the Hinch Farm as well. But that's for another story. But yeah, I've got the Febreze Air Mist. Now, you guys are probably thinking, if you don't own your own house, why have you got this? But I've got the Fairy Max liquid. This is the pomegranate smell, and again it's the same range, which is Midsummer Memories. The reason why I purchased this was because obviously I have my own Mrs. Hinch plate set and cups. Yeah, I will say cups because I've got two of them now. So I have them upstairs. So when I tend to use them, I can wash them upstairs. Now, yeah, we have got a dishwasher. I could put them in the dishwasher, but I don't want them to break or be chipped or, you know, anything like that. So I tend to wash them upstairs so they're all nice and clean. I do have another one of these, but it's in a different scent. I can't remember whether that is Mrs. Hinch one or not. But yeah, I got this one. Then I got the big bottle of liquid. So this is the 2XL pack. Mrs. Hinch limited edition Lenore Outdoorable Midsummer Memories Sunset Blossom. And it's, again, she's blown it at the park. Oh, it's so nice. Every single one that she has done and partnered up with Joy of Clean, she's literally smashed it. Absolutely smashed it. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I cannot wait to start washing things with this. Now on my agenda, I've got so much to do today, but I am going to wash my blue cushion that I got from Mrs. Hinch range, the big blue cushion. Now if I've got time, I will wash it today. If I don't have time, then it'll have to be another day, but again, it depends on the weather. If the weather stays nice for a good few days, then I'll be able to do it. I'm at work on Monday, but I'm off for the rest of the week over to Easter holidays, so I've got plenty of time to wash them anyway. Then last two bits to show you. was the pods. Now again, they come in a big bag or in a small box. I've decided to get the big bag because one, it will last me a long time, and two, I always say go big or go home. So I got the big pack. So this is the Bold, again in the new Mrs. Hinch range, and you've got loads of pods in there, and it does 50 washes. Yeah, 50 washes, and I think the box only does 18 washes, I do believe. So yeah, I've got some washing pods, which goes really, really well with scent. And then again, I got the, last but no means least, I got the big scent booster pods. They do have a smaller version, which is the cardboard version, but I decided to get this one. This is the extra large, the Lenore Incense Boosters, again in Mrs. Hinch range, and I cannot wait to actually use these and wash all my cushion covers, so they all smell absolutely lovely. So guys, that is everything that I have purchased through my Home Bargains. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you do want to see more Home Bargains hauls, then please let me know in the comment section below. Is there any other shops that you want me to shop in, like Savers, Superdrug, you know, that sort of thing? If you guys want me to do like a little mini haul, when I order my IKEA stuff, it'll only be a couple of bits from IKEA, and maybe if I buy any stuff from the Home Bargains website, if you want me to do like a little mini haul for that, then please let me know in the comment section below. But I'm going to love you and leave you here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.